Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will learn about what is the base algorithm of Google Ads. I mean, how does this Google ad actually work? Is there any algorithm? Is there any predefined mechanism dependent on machine learning or artificial intelligence? So what is the criteria that, me and other players in the market are using Google Ads? They are competing with each other. So how does Google algorithm or how does Google system decide which one to rank, which one to position, and which one to give more result as compared to the others? So this is the agenda for this video. Watch the video till the end and stay tuned for more such updates. So first thing first, how does the Google algorithm work, or how does this whole function works? So if I talk about the overall broad criteria, so as you can see on my screen, so first of all, the user interaction. So any user searches on Google or visit any particular website where the ads are displayed, that is the starting point where the user journey starts. Because if user is not searching on Google or not going to any website, then he or she will not be able to see any kind of advertisement via Google Ads. So he or she has to visit or interact with some kind of online platform in order to see the ad. So once user decided to search something and go on the website, the second is the auction system starts. Because as soon as the user is searching anything on Google, let's say digital marketing course near me, as soon as the query is being searched on Google, the algorithm starts calculating at the back end that which ad to be placed at which position. If you remember from my previous videos, there are 4 ad set which are displayed on the top of the page and 3 on the bottom of the page. So how those particular ads and how those particular ad placement are decided by Google? I mean, is it something that whoever pays higher will get the higher position and whoever pays lesser will get the lower position? Is it something? No, it is not that simple, and it is not that only money dependent. There are multiple factors. So Google auction system decides. So every time there is a search happening, there is a website interaction, there is a visitor interaction. Every time Google's auction system comes into the picture, and every time all the players competing for that particular keyword or audience comes into an auction system, and based on the Google's internal system, there are scores which are assigned to each and every ad, and based on that score, whoever gets the highest score, cumulative of all the parameters, whoever gets the highest score will rank higher or will get the priority. So that's the auction system. It is not something first come first serve. It is always about auction, real-time competition, real-time players. Step number 3, as I said, that the whoever pays highest will not get higher result. It is about the relevance and the quality. Google as a platform want to make sure that the user experience, either it is advertisement or non-advertisement results, whatever user is interacting with on search engine or maybe other partner website, the user experience has to be good. Because if it is only about the money, that whoever pays highest will get more priority, then it is a possibility that the experience of users who are searching or interacting with ads may not be nice. In that case, the overall authority or overall brand presence of Google will be compromised, because user is not concerned about that ad. User is concerned about Google, because he or she is coming on Google and going on the website because he understand or he trusts Google, so that they will find their answers for their queries. But if the Google is only taking money from the brands and showing irrelevant results to users, then their user experience will be worse and the market share of the Google may go down. And that's why Google does not compromise on the relevance and the quality of the ad. It means ads are evaluated for the relevance to the search and the content. That is number 1. Number 2, quality score measure the ads overall quality. What is your headline? What is your description? Is it related to your products and offering? What is your landing page? What is your target keyword? Is it related to your target keyword? Everything is being measured inside that auction parameter, along with the bid. Of course, whoever bids highest will also be considered, but the only bidding is not the criteria. The number 4 is ad rank determination. Based on these 3 things, that is quality score and that is your bidding, based on these criteria, you get your advertisement get and score, which is, let's say, 0 to 100 for example, and whatever highest score is, that you will get the highest position. If your score is highest among all the competitors, you will get the higher position, and if your score is least, placed, then you will get the lower position, or maybe it is a possibility that your ad may not be triggered for that particular keyword because positions are limited, and if players are more than the number of positions available, then with the lowest score possible, your ad campaign may not be triggered. It means all these processes happens in just microsecond. For example, if I search for MBA course, I just typed MBA course, I did not press enter. As soon as I press enter, from the time I press enter and from the time the ads are being displayed, this is the timeline where the ads are being shown. Now this ad being shown on the top of the page because of the quality score, because of the ad rank. The second one, the third one, the fourth one, how Google is deciding this ad rank based on the quality score, based on the bidding, based on the competition, based on various factors, so that the user as well as the brand both gets benefited, and the overall experience of the brand and the user should not be disturbed. So this is the overall process how Google Ads function, and mostly it is similar to almost every ad platform, because no ad platform wants that they only take money from the advertiser and show irrelevant advertisement to the audience and the users, because this way they will lose their customer, and if they lose their market share or customer, no brand will be interested to advertise their product on their platform. So as I said, that it is not a magic, it is completely an auction system where the algorithm is, the system, the Google algorithm process. It is not one single thing. It is a system that runs a super fast auction for every single Google search. As I told you, what is the Google main goal behind this, placing this algorithm? That for the user, give them the most relevant answer plus ad. For the advertiser, give them qualified clicks, because if they show irrelevant ads to irrelevant people, the brand will also not get benefit. And for Google, create a good user experience so that both come back user as well as the brand. And as I said, it is a very biggest misconception. The more you bid, the more chances you will get. No, it is not completely true. There are other factors as well. So even if you pay highest for any click, it is not compulsory that Google will rank you higher in the search engine result pages. So Google uses a formula that is called ad rank, and every time when user searches something, every time when there is a scope to trigger your ad, to show your advertisement, this system applies, and this system calculates what is your ad score or ad rank score. The first criteria is CPC bid. It means what is the cost per click that you wish to pay to Google for each and every click, multiply by quality score. This quality score is just based on two factors, that is 2 or 3 factors that we'll cover in just next slide, but multiplication or cumulative score of these two parameters comes into the ad rank, and whoever gets the highest ad rank score will get more highest positions. Now, when it comes to quality score, what is quality score? Quality score is something which is Google's ads algorithms internal system decide. It is from 1 to 10. So these are the 3 parameters through which the Google quality score combinedly created. First is user experience on the landing page or the website where user is going ultimately. What is the destination? If that user experience is good, then the 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 score is calculated. Keyword relevance to the ad. If let's say your keyword is MBA course and your ad headline and ad description is not at all relevant, then it will create a poor quality score. So your advertisement copy should be relevant to the keyword. And then expected CTR. It means the Google determines that what are the chances that if your advertisement is being shown on the top of the page, what are the chances that people will click on your advertisement based on your previous data, based on your other chances. So combining of these 3 parameters, there is a cumulative score of out of 10, and that score is called as quality score. You can see that expected CTR, ad relevance, landing page experience, what are the meaning of 3. So multiplication of quality score, that is 1 to 10, and your CPC bid, that combines create a ad rank. Just for an example, we have taken a table where we are just demonstrating the ad rank. So let's say there are 5 advertisers on particular keyword which come into an auction, and all of them has their bids. Let's say somebody is able to $50, $75, $85, $65, $60 for each click they are ready to pay, but their quality score is different. So if you see that first advertiser who is about to pay $50 per click has the highest quality score, it means the 450 is the ad rank, for example, right? Similarly, 75 has the lowest, poorest quality score, 85 again has the poorest, 65 is okay, 60 is okay. Now if you see the order, it is not about how much they pay. Even if you see the 85 is the highest highest bid, but the lowest score is that only. Why? Because the quality score is poorest. It means even if you are paying highest amount bid but your quality score is not that good, you will not get the highest rank. The highest rank is achieved by this person where the bid is also competitive and the quality score is also competitive. So 480, it means this advertiser, that is e-advertiser, will get the highest rank position in this particular auction where a particular keyword is being searched. Every time the search happens, every time the search changes, this auction happens again and again. So it is not a one-time process. It happens each and every second when there is a change in the advertisement. So it means that overall Google ad algorithm works on variety factors, that is quality score and multiplied by CPC. And that is the reason even a small startup or a small brand can start with Google ads and they can compete with big giant players, because Google is not about only the money, it is about the quality. So if your landing page is giving more quality experience to the user, quality score is good, and even if your bid is not that high, even at the minimum level or competitive level, then also you can rank above the top players in your industry. And that's why everyone, whether a big brand, small brand, a startup or MSME, any brand, any freelancer can come on Google ads and they can start generating revenue, leads, sales, clicks for their brand from day one if it is being executed properly. And in order to have a good quality score for your campaign, all you need is a skill set to run how effectively you can run Google ads, and that is something we are learning in this entire series. And if you know people in your network who might get benefited from this series, that is free of cost, then please share this channel with them so that they can also learn this in-demand skill, that is Google ads, in 2026 and upcoming years. So I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.